never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no
nandito po tayo
love
ngayon.
for the fakeness. If you
Muli
wanna
po
play
nating
tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
video itong nandito po ako sa gilid ngayon sa SMC site. So papunta po ako sa north area, so dadaan po tayo doon sa CCLX Cebu to Cordova Link Expressway. So ngayon medyo makita na po natin itong bridge. Malaki na po talaga yung pinagbago nung simula nung nandito po tayo, almost na 1 month na nakalipas. So ngayon nandito naman po tayo, tingnan po natin kung ano na po yung improvement sa kanilang project, sa kanilang trabaho. So sa lahat po pala ng mga viewers dyan na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, huwag niyo mong kalimutan mag-subscribe, click the notification bell at mag-like, comment na rin kung anong yung i-comment sa ating video, napanood ating video. So ngayon guys, nandito na po tayo, umaakyat na po tayo sa tulay, sa bridge. So makikita po talaga natin tong CCLX. So talagang malaki na po talaga yung pinagbago nung almost 1 month na po yung nakalipas nung nandito po tayo. So ngayon, makikita ninyo sa video guys. So may mga taong mga nagtrabaho dito. So talagang binibilisan po talaga nila itong trabaho to, itong project na to. Magpasalamat po tayo sa ating mahal na Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte, ang ating mahal na presidente. hindi po dahil sa kanya hindi siguro to natupad. So dahil sa kanya natupad to. So makikita ninyo guys, no? So talagang kunting biis na lang, no? Talagang madadaanan natin to. Pero hindi natin alam kung ilang sisig kaya yung makadaan dito. Baka may mga patakaran na hindi po tayo qualified. Siguro ilang sisi lang o ang sasakyan ng makadaan dito. So, ngayon guys, nakikita ninyo sa video guys na talagang binibilisan talaga nila yung kanilang trabaho guys, no? Wala man tayo nakalipas, nandito po tayo. So ngayon, talagang malaki na ang pinagbago guys. Talagang mahaba talaga itong tulay na to, no? Yan, talagang simula na po na nila doon. Cebu to Cordova Link Expressway, CCLX, no? Talagang napakaganda po itong project na to. Marami talagang mga Cebuano ang makabenefits nito, no? At hindi lang sa Cebuano, hindi lahat ng mga tao gustong pumupunta dito sa Cebu, gustong bumibisita. So ito ang isang project ng ating mahal na Pangulong hindi natin makakalimutan. So isa itong alaala, malaking alaala. So, sa lahat ng mga viewers dyan na talagang sinusubaybayan ng ating video, sinamahan tayo hanggang dito sa dulo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sa viewers na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, so huwag mong kalimutan na mag-subscribe. So subscribe mo ang ating YouTube channel, Tikul TV, at palagi ninyo yung